Hi guys, I'm Noah and I'm here at Ballycrochan Artisan and I'm going to show you how to make your milkshake. I'm going to use a large bottle, so I'm going to put the small bottle back. Now you need to put your bottle into the dispenser. And I'm going to select large. Now I'm going to select strawberry. Right, you need to get a card and wait for the blue lights to say approved. Now the counter will start going down, telling you how much needs to be filled. Now, whilst you're here, you can get your baked goods from Sprinkles and Crumbs. There's also coffees. The coffee, cappuccino, latte, hot chocolate, cortado, flat white, flat black, and mocha. Now, the milkshake bottle is nearly done. Oh, delicious!